Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Anyways, it is 5:25. I'm awake and I'm in such a great mood. Like I had enough sleep or something. Like my eyes are wide awake. But anyways, I'm gonna head to the gym, get done in about 2 hours, come home and hopefully do another science experiment. Oh, I can't talk this morning. Hopefully do another science experiment for you guys today with my kids, just so that they can enjoy something. But anyways, have a great day, guys. Okay, so I'm fresh, I'm so clean, I'm out of the shower from the gym. I deadlifted 305 today. Boom! Give me that thumbs up if you like that idea that I deadlifted 305. But my hands are still green from the green dye last night. But anyways, I have to feed the kids. We supposedly are having a tropical storm because there's 2 hurricanes headed our way, but we're going to get the tropical storm effect. So my kid's dad, he's over there getting the generator going again while the water in the buckets are going. There's the water in the buckets. Oh, you see it, the trash buckets, and the generator making all that smoke in the house. Don't bring the smoke in, son. We're just trying to get it going again. And I'm gonna close the door because it's making too much smoke. Watch your fingers, babies. And well, anyways, we have like a whole bunch of bottled water and canned goods. We're ready. We're always ready, and it never hits us. Well, it's always good to be prepared, guys. Anyway, we're gonna make the baking soda and vinegar volcano today with my kids, and they're excited because I have everything that we need, and it's so simple, and they're gonna love their faces are like $1 million smile. Just look in their face, it can never be replaced. So look forward to that today, guys. So again, get up and do it. Go. Stand up and do it nicely. Go. Good job. And she plops on her butt, guys. Good job. Skylar. Skylar, look at Auntie. Sing lava lava. Come over here. I have a dream. Oh, that's so cute, guys, isn't that? That's her all-time favorite song, the Lava Lava with the volcanoes. She's so cute, guys. And then I think she's missing her mom. And her words.
Sad.
No, this one, guys.
Happy. Yellow. Love.
Yes.
Sister.
Keep going, Candy.
She. I could put it there.
Mommy got it.
Dog.
I got it, Candy. I got it. Come on, Mommy can move faster.
Cat.
What?
And.
Try again. Yes, you said it.
And.
Can.
Can. My.
Come on, Candy.
Hat.
Baby, come on.
Red.
A little bit more, guys.
Orange. This way.
Leave that bag here. Leave it here.
White.
Skylar!
Hey guys, so I haven't been vlogging for the past I don't know how long, but anyways, I had a really bad allergy attack and my nose is super red. I've been scratching it and rubbing it and sneezing achoo, 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 like 7 times in a row. And anyways, I think it was something at my house. I'm in my car waiting for Shida to get out of school, and I'm fine. Maybe a little drip here and there, but sorry, that was gross, but it's fine. But anyways, anyways, we're gonna go home and literally we're gonna do the baking soda volcano with the vinegar. Look forward to that, guys. There's my babies. Well, 2 out of 4 and big one. That's so cute. Look at him. He's so. Baba, look at Baba, look at mommy. The big smile he's riding his sister's bike. Look at that. Ready now? Push it, let him go. And he's really. We're at the batting cage waiting for him to get off of work. The baby's sleeping in the back, and my other girl is with her Uncle Sean, sleeping at his house, my brother. And, well, these two are wide awake. Anyways, we'll wait for him to get done and we'll do a project tonight, guys. Hey guys, so I'm here with Shayla, my oldest, and we're gonna fill up balloons. We're gonna fill up balloons. We're gonna use the air from a chemical reaction with baking soda
And vinegar.
and what is it, Shayla?
Vinegar.
Okay? And for the fun of it, we're gonna make it different colors. Green
Dye.
and
And
blue
blue
dye.
dye. Where's the yellow? Red.
So first, we're gonna fill up the balloons, one each for us, with baking soda. Grab one, Sheila. We're gonna fill up a baking soda first. So I have my baking soda. I had poured it into a squeeze bottle so that we can put it into the balloon. I'm smart, guys, so we don't have to get a funnel. So we're just gonna squeeze it into here. A little bit more. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Okay,
Yeah.
Shayla's turn. Go, Shayla, your turn. I think that's enough in my. I think that's enough in here. Hurry up. Squeeze.
I said that.
Keep going. Oops. Do it over this way. Do it over this way so it makes a mess.
I
Put the
said
bottle, put the
that.
fingers into the puka.
Coca. I said this.
Yeah, but not let me see.
That.
There's nothing in there. What's taking you so long? It's not hard. It's just empty. And
Two. 1, 2, 8, 18, 14,
I think
18,
more went all over us than it did in the.
14,
But then let's
18.
see what different on the side.
Gun.
Huh?
With the lady gun.
Put on the table and I'll put it right here for now.
No, Mama.
Next, we're gonna put vinegar into our bottles.
A bottle.
I'll go first.
Bottle. I don't want my watermelon.
I'm gonna open this thing up first.
I can open it.
Ew. Oh, hello. I have to peel it off first. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go halfway.
Oh, it stinks.
Oh, I hate the smell of vinegar, guys. Wanna pour yours?
No.
You wanna pour yours? I'm gonna pour yours.
4, please.
Oh, I hate the smell of vinegar. Okay. Ugh. The smell of vinegar, guys, tastes so bad. It smells so bad. Next, we're gonna add our food coloring. You want green or you want blue?
Blue.
Okay. Just for the fun of it, guys. For the fun of it.
Okay, how do you open this?
We'll just pop it off at the top.
What's in my hand? What's your hand?
Add like 10 drops.
1, 2, 3,
Here's mine. What mine looks like, guys. Green.
5, 6,
Come on.
7, 8, 9. Silly, did it, Sheila.
Okay.
Can I cover it back up?
Yep. Then we're gonna.
Silly, did it.
Yes, son. Put our balloon over this, like this, without
How much is it on?
emptying it out. Just put it over. Ready, guys? Here's for the best reaction in the world. Ready, set, dump. Whoa! 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 we need to clean up. It's all over my phone and all over us. Wasn't that cool, guys? But the vinegar smells so bad, guys. Oh. Daddy, you missed it. We have to clean up that. If you guys enjoyed that video, give this video a big thumbs up. Should a thumbs up. If you guys watched like our reaction of getting like exploded on, give this video a thumbs up. To see more Sweat Those Kids every single day. Oh, there it goes again! Whoa! We'll clean it up. We'll clean it up. Subscribe to my channel for more Sweat Those Kids every day. Have a good night, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Peace. Shaka. See you later, mother. Just kidding, guys. Good night.